What's up, CrossFit Flyover? I'm going to make a Zone protein shake for my morning breakfast. I'm going to show you exactly what I do for it and what you can do in the future as well. This is a 5-block meal, so it's going to be 5 blocks. I'm going to have a 5-block breakfast. So if you want to make one that's 3 blocks or 4 blocks, do the appropriate math. Multiply by 3/5 for 3 blocks. Multiply by 4/5 for 4 blocks. And if you want a 5-block shake, just do it like I'm doing. Here's what I have in it. So I've got peanut butter, I've got strawberries, I've got orange juice, I'm going to have some whey protein, and then I'll finish it off with some water. But I'm going to talk a little bit about how I portion this out. First thing, I have 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and if it'll focus here, there is, in 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, there is 16 grams of fat. If I did 2 tablespoons, that would be 10 blocks of fat. I only want 1 tablespoon because I want about 7.5 blocks of fat to be exact, but 8's fine. I'm totally negligible. So there's my 5-block set of fat, which is my peanut butter. There's 1 block of carbohydrates in the 1 cup of strawberries, 2 blocks of carbohydrates, and 3/4 cups of orange juice. And then in the protein I've got 18 grams of carbohydrates. 9 grams of carbohydrates is 1 block. So there's 2 more blocks of carbohydrates coming from the protein powder. Okay, so 5 fat, 5 carb, and then my 5 protein, I'm going to be a little shy. So there's 32 grams of protein and 2 scoops of the whey protein powder. So I'm just going to say, that's fine, 3 grams shy. That's negligible for this. Pretty good, not exact, but it's pretty darn close. So this is how I have my breakfast. I'm going to mix it up. Peanut butter goes in there. You can imagine 2 scoops of whey protein powder. Some of those weren't quite full, so there you go. Now you can see that you could start eyeballing this. I'm going to top it off with water. I'm going to put the peanut butter in there. I'm going to blend to make pure, smooth. I hope this is something you guys can use. Normally I don't do chocolate. It's not my favorite. Normally I do vanilla, and then it's a kind of a peanut butter and jelly morning shake. It's a good thing to have. It holds me off for about 3 hours. Try it yourself. See what you think. Probably have whey protein, orange juice, frozen strawberries, peanut butter. Something that most people have in their pantries. If not, pick it up pretty easy.